Imagine facing life with the strength of a warrior, calm, disciplined, and unbreakable. But where does that strength come from? Today, we're diving into an overlooked secret of the samurai, their unique approach to rest. These legendary warriors didn't just master the art of combat. They mastered the art of rest, understanding that true power requires balance. In the words of Miyamoto Musashi, one of history's greatest swordsmen, you must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. Rest is one of those essential paths. In a world driven by speed and stress, the lessons of these ancient warriors offer a path to calm and control. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to rest like a samurai, focused, purposeful, and ready for any challenge. For the samurai, sleep wasn't just about rest, it was a ritual of renewal. Samurai believed that physical rest alone wasn't enough. The mind had to be calm, the spirit centered. This meant embracing a mindset of clarity and peace, even in their final hours. For them, every sleep could be their last, a reminder to live without regret. As the great samurai Yamamoto Tsunetomo said, even if a man has no natural ability, he can be a warrior if he can suppress his own mind. This meant letting go of fear and regret, ensuring their hearts were clear before resting. This practice, known as Seishi no Kokoro, or mind of death, meant that warriors were always prepared, fully present in every moment, even as they lay their heads down. The influence of Zen Buddhism shaped samurai sleep rituals. Zen teaches that the mind should be as clear as a calm lake, undisturbed and reflective. Samurai would often meditate before bed, letting go of distractions, focusing on their breath, and silencing their minds. As Musashi once said, the ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. This same principle applied to their rest, achieving peace without conflict, clarity without chaos. Imagine going to bed each night without the weight of the past or the worries of the future. This mental clarity is a form of deep rest we often overlook today. But it wasn't just the mind. Samurai also cared for their bodies. They understood the power of posture and breathing, lying on firm surfaces to keep their spines straight, allowing their energy or ki to flow freely even during sleep. Their sleeping areas were often simple, a tatami mat, perhaps a small wooden pillow. Modern science now tells us that good posture during rest reduces muscle strain, improves circulation, and even impacts mental clarity. As the samurai proverb goes, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Even in rest, they prepared for the struggles to come, training their bodies to be resilient and ready. Consistency was key. Samurai followed strict routines, aligning their bodies with the natural rhythms of the earth. They understood that the sun and moon were as much their allies as their swords. This consistency reinforced discipline, a core part of Bushido, the samurai code. It also helped regulate their internal clocks, ensuring deep, restorative sleep. Today, we may not face battles with swords and armor, but we face battles of the mind and heart, stress, anxiety, and burnout. The samurai approach to rest is a reminder that true strength requires recovery. It's about clearing the mind, aligning with nature, and preparing our bodies and spirits for whatever tomorrow brings. So tonight, rest like a warrior. Breathe deep, clear your mind, and let your spirit find peace. After all, even warriors must rest. Thanks for watching. Remember, every warrior needs their rest.